Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Abena, and today you're welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, thanks for tuning in. You're welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a pink eyeshadow look, and if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful pink look, let's get right to the video. Okay. Done with my brows. I use LA Girl brow gel for my brows, as you can see. So for my eyeshadow, I'll be using Blossom 35 Matte Cream Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette. So I'll be using this. So I'll be using this here. I'll be using this, my jumbo pencil. For my cut crease, so I'll be applying my pink shade. be applying my eyeliner from Wet n Wild. So I applied some eyelashes. As you can see. So I'm done with this. The next step, I'll be applying my primer from City Palettes. So I'm done with my primer now. The next step, I'll be applying my foundation. So today I'm trying something new. So I'm trying NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Wow, I really love this foundation. It dries so fast. It dries very fast. I really love it. So I'm done with my foundation, which is now my favorite foundation. So the next step, I'll be applying my powder. Powder is Beyond Beauty. It's a 6 palette. So I'm using the lighter one first. I'm using it under my eye. So I want to leave this on for about 5 minutes. So guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I just want to clean this up. The next step, I just want to go in for my lip liner. So the lip liner I'm using Sleek. Beyond Beauty lip gloss. So I'll be applying my lip gloss. My highlighter from Milani. So the next step, Flawless Eye View Hydrating Mist. So I'll be applying all over my face. Look of my pink and my new products look. What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think. Comment on the comment section and let me know what you think. So if you are new here, subscribe on your way out. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Stay beautiful and